Hello student, welcome back to KG classes. Today we shall teach you direct and indirect sentence. Class 7th standard. Direct and indirect narration. A person may report in two ways, direct speech and indirect speech. Vijay said, inverted comma, I am 12 years old now. It is a direct speech. Vijay said that he was 12 years old then. It is an indirect speech. Present simple tense change into past simple. Present continuous tense into past continuous. Present perfect tense into past perfect. Present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. Past simple into past perfect. Past continuous into past perfect continuous. Past perfect into past perfect. Future simple will into would. Future continuous will be into would be. Future perfect will have into would have. Present tense. He said, inverted comma, I write a letter. Indirect. He said that he wrote a letter. He said, inverted comma, she goes to school daily. Indirect. He said that she went to school every day. Present continuous change into past continuous. Direct. Ramesh said, inverted comma, I am reading a story. Indirect. Ramesh said that he was reading a story. Direct. Geeta said, I am not playing. Indirect. Geeta said that she was not playing. Present perfect change into past perfect. Direct. I said, inverted comma, she has written a book. Indirect. I said that she had written a book. Direct. They said, inverted comma, we have not joined college. Indirect. They said that they had not joined college. Present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous. Direct. She said, inverted comma, it has been raining for 3 hours. Indirect. She said that it had been raining for 3 hours. Direct. I said she has been working in this office since 2012. Indirect. I said that she had been working in this office since 2012. Simple past change into past perfect. Direct. Teacher said me, inverted comma, you answered correctly. Indirect. Teacher told me that I had answered correctly. Direct. Gagan said, inverted comma, they went to Delhi. Indirect. Gagan said that they had gone to Delhi. Past continuous change into past perfect continuous. Direct. I said, inverted comma, it was raining today. Indirect. I said that it had been raining that day. She said, inverted comma, I was not going. Indirect. She said that she had not been going. Past perfect change into past perfect. Direct. I said she had made a doll. Indirect. I said that she had made a doll. Direct. They said we had not gone to cinema. Indirect. They said that they had not gone to cinema. Direct. He said he had visited a zoo. Indirect. He said that he had visited a zoo. Future tense will shall change into would should. Direct. She said I shall buy a computer. Indirect. She said that she would buy a computer. Direct. They said to me, inverted comma, we will send a gift. Indirect. They told me that they would send a gift. Future continuous tense will be changed into would be. I said to him, inverted comma, I will be writing. Indirect. I told him that I would be writing. Direct. She said, inverted comma, he will not be eating. Indirect. She said that he would not be eating. Future perfect tense will have changed into would have. Direct. She said, inverted comma, they will have selected for the drama. indirect. She said that